Arthur, I need you to explain something scientifically impossible.
Go on.
My app works perfectly on my laptop. I put it on the server last night, and it exploded. Same code.
The 5 most famous words in software. It works on my machine.
It does work on my machine.
I believe you. Your machine has Python 3.11, that one library you forgot you installed, and a config file from 2024. The server has none of that.
So my app didn't travel alone. It needed its whole environment.
Exactly. And that's the problem containers solve. Today, containers, the shipping revolution of software.
Shipping revolution?
Real history. Before the 1950s, ships carried barrels, crates, sacks. Loading was chaos. Then someone invented the steel shipping container. Standard box, same shape everywhere. Suddenly, it didn't matter what was inside. Every crane, ship, and truck on Earth could handle the box.
And software containers are the same trick?
Identical trick. You pack your app plus everything it needs, the language, the libraries, the config, into one standard box.
And then any server can run the box.
Any laptop, any server, any cloud. AWS, Google, Azure, they all speak container. The box runs the same everywhere.
So works on my machine becomes works on every machine.
That's the whole pitch. And the tool that made this famous back in 2013 is Docker.
Okay, how does it actually work? Do I zip up my laptop?
Close. You write a little recipe, a Dockerfile. Start with Linux, add Python, copy my code, install my libraries, run this command. Docker bakes that recipe into an image, a frozen snapshot of the box ready to ship.
And when I run the image?
That's a container. Image is the recipe card. Container is the actual meal, hot and running.
Recipe, meal, where do the recipes live?
Registries. Docker Hub is the big public one. Millions of ready-made images. Need a database? Grab the official Postgres image, running in 30 seconds.
Wait, I can just download a working database?
You never install software the painful way again.
Quick pause. I spent years fighting installs. If this video just saved you a weekend, follow the channel. Kubernetes is next Tuesday, and apparently that's where this gets wild.
It really does.
One thing bugs me. Isn't this just a virtual machine? A computer in my computer?
Great instinct. Close, but no. A VM carries a whole operating system inside. Heavy. Minutes to boot, gigabytes each. Containers share the operating system that's already running underneath. They only carry your app and its stuff.
So the box is light?
Megabytes, not gigabytes. Starts in about a second. You can run dozens on one machine where you'd fit a handful of VMs.
Dozens?
That efficiency is why the entire industry moved to containers. Netflix, banks, that startup you like. Boxes everywhere.
Okay, but if I have dozens of little boxes running everywhere, who's keeping track of them all?
That is the perfect question. And it has a Greek name for an answer.
Kubernetes?
Next Tuesday, my friend. All right, summary time. What's a container?
A container is a standard shipping box for software. My app plus everything it needs packed together. The image is the recipe, the container is it running, and it runs the same on my laptop, your server, and every cloud. Lighter than a virtual machine, starts in seconds, and Docker's the tool that made it famous.
Ship it. See you Tuesday.